Hey guys, welcome to another episode of French Tech. Today we're unboxing the ICY i3 mini PC. So let's go ahead and get started. It's in a relatively unbranded box. Really the only thing we have up here in the corner is that it's an ICY mini fanless. It's supposed to say Windows 10, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gig SSD. So I bought this for a commercial environment because it's a wood shop and they have a bunch of desks and stuff. So this looks like a computer mount. Yeah, so it's just a mounting plate with some screws here in the bag. So it looks like some screws and some standoffs. Next thing we have is a power brick with a standard plug, and it looks like it's 5 amps, 12 volts. A little guide, XYC Mini Computer Company, contact information. Keep this open here. Different models, mounting options, etc. Got a couple antennas for the wireless. The other part of the power cord. This seems really scrawny and flimsy. And then the PC itself. So it's an all aluminum case, at least that's what it feels like. Got the 2 antenna ports here, power, VGA, HDMI, LAN, mic, audio out, and another wireless. 6 USB on the front, 4 USB 3, 2 USB 2, and then a power button, and just vents on the side. So again, this is an i3 mini PC, fanless, nothing else is in the box. So let's recap here. We have got the mini PC itself. We've got the power adapter and the cable. We've got 2 Wi-Fi antennas, mounting bracket and standoffs, and then a little guide. So like I said, this is supposed to be an i3 with 8 gigs of RAM and 120 gig SSD. The current price is about $300. I'll put some links down in the description so you can see pricing that it is now, and look for a future video where I go over a review and a setup to see what it's like and if it's worth spending the $300. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about computers or technology in general, leave a comment down below.